You hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day, guys. So once again, I'm talking about Cardano price update. And guys, I'm also talking about the future price of Cardano. Is the responsibilities that in the future the price of Cardano will pump or dump? Absolutely, I predicated Cardano in this video. So guys, just keep watching this video complete. And if you are new on my channel, so kindly please don't forget to subscribe channel for more news and update videos. And guys, at this time, first of all, if you talk about the right now price of Cardano in the market, so 2.17 USD dollar, that is the currently live price of Cardano, as you can see. And guys, furthermore, now the good news for all the Cardano holders is that as you can see, guys, the last 1 hour update is going positive 1.06%. That's mean that the price pump just in last 60 minutes. You know what, from last 7 days, you can see the last 7 days changes of Cardano is negative. That's mean that in a previous days the Cardano price falls, but in the currently situation Cardano price pumps upward. You can see here now they start pumping. You can see here now, I believe now my prediction is clear about Cardano for short time, that guys, it is the last week of October, and I believe, guys, that in the last week of October Cardano will give you the unbelievable profit. Believe me, guys, they will give you unbelievable profit. So for those all people who's holding Cardano, I recommend highly that, guys, please hold for a long time. It's time to hold and it's time to buy. If you want to buy Cardano for short time, so I think it's the biggest opportunity for all of you guys. So what you think about Cardano prediction? What's your opinion? Please also share your opinion, your prediction in the comment box, guys. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you hope you like this video, and guys, kindly, guys, don't forget to subscribe channel for this kind of more news and update videos.